In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unregister Gcash from your phone. To begin, open the Gcash app on your phone. This is the first step in accessing your account settings. Make sure your app is up to date for the best experience. Once the app is open, you'll see the home screen with various options. Next, tap on the profile icon. You'll typically find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. The profile section is where you can manage your personal information and settings. By navigating here, you're taking control of your account preferences. From there, tap on Settings. This will open up a new menu with a variety of options. The Settings menu is your gateway to customizing your Gcash experience. It's important because it allows you to adjust how the app interacts with your device. Now look for the option that says Link Devices and select it. This section manages which devices are connected to your account. It's crucial to ensure only trusted devices have access. This step helps maintain the security of your account by giving you control over device connections. After that, tap on Unregister Phone. This action is essential if you want to remove your phone from the list of linked devices. Unregistering a device can be necessary if you're switching phones or securing your account. Before proceeding, review the details shown on your screen. This step confirms the device you are about to unregister. Double-checking ensures that you don't accidentally remove the wrong device. It's a quick but vital step for preventing unintended changes to your account. When you're ready, tap Yes, Unregister. By doing this, you are confirming your decision to remove the device. This makes sure your changes are saved immediately. There is no turning back after this point, so ensure you are certain. Then, complete the selfie scan or enter the one-time password, also known as OTP. This added security measure verifies your identity. Gcash uses these methods to protect your account from unauthorized changes. It's a simple step but crucial for maintaining your account's integrity. Now wait for the confirmation message to appear. This message lets you know that the process is complete. It's your assurance that the device has been successfully unregistered. If you don't see the confirmation, check your connection or try again. And there you have it. You have successfully unregistered your phone from Gcash. Remember, keeping your device list up to date is important for your account's security. Only allow devices that you trust to be linked to your account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Gcash support. Have a great day.